Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you my Dollar Tree haul. I got a nice little haul here today that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So the first thing I got was this little shower curtain liner because I basically need something to lay out when I'm doing projects. So I think that this would be much more helpful to use like something plastic like this than like all the newspaper I've been using. So I can like use the newspaper for like my paper mache and stuff. And I just basically need something to lay out. So I thought this would be perfect. Sorry, I don't know where to go with this stuff. The next thing, I got 3 boxes of these Band-Aids. I know there are only 2 here. The other one I have already in a little container thing. But I got 3 boxes of these Band-Aids. I like these Band-Aids actually because I love the colors. And honestly, I just like the Band-Aids. The next thing I got was this I really like the smell of this. It's Coastal Breeze potpourri, I think is how it's called. It's basically just dried up like, basically just dried up things that give off a nice scent. And then to go with this, I bought this little thing to put it inside, and then since the holes on the top will let it, you know, the smell come out. Originally people put this in bowls and stuff, but I'm scared like either I'll bump into it and knock it over, or like my cats will bump into it and knock it over. That's why I bought this thing with a lid and the holes, where with the holes nothing should really fall out, so there shouldn't be a mess. The next thing I got were 2 bottles of essential oil. This is coconut and citrus, and I think it smells really, really good. So I got 2 bottles of essential oils. I then got this little black basket, and then I bought this little tray, and the reason for this little tray is to pour bubbles in it. I got this huge thing of bubbles. This is what I was looking for. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to do a little something with the bubbles. I'm super excited about that. So I just needed something flat to like pour it in. So that is pretty much it. So I'm really excited about this haul. Got a couple things planned. Super excited. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!